Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your WIX account. All right. To cancel a WIX account, you must first cancel any premium subscriptions and remove any domains associated with the account. Okay. And once that's done, you can go ahead and delete your sites from here and finally close the entire account. So first up, go ahead and cancel any of your plans. All right. In the left panel, hover your mouse onto billing and subscriptions, click on premium subscriptions. And in here, select your subscription and just hit on cancel. And after that, follow the simple prompts. Okay. Once done, go ahead over to the left panel once more. Click on sites. If you have multiple sites right here, just click on three dots. Then go ahead and click on move to trash. Okay. Do the same with any of your sites right here. Now, once that's done, you can now go ahead and go to the top right, click on your profile icon. Now click on account settings. All right. Once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down. And you will find this option or section, close your account. So just go ahead and click on this one, click on it, and there'll be a pop-up. Just select the reason why you wanted to close your account. Once that's done, give a feedback if you want to. And after that, just enter your password. And then once done, click on close account. All right. Important notes, closing your WIX account permanently removes all your data associated with it. Okay. Once you hit on close account, WIX customer care experts will remove the account within 7 days after the request. Okay. And there you have it. That's how you cancel a WIX account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.